Alrighty, good morning again. Just wanted to make this quick video so you guys can see how to get to and access and use your Padlet, which, like I said, is the group kind of site for all of my anatomy and physiology classes. It is also where I'm going to be posting these videos. I'm trying several different ways of actually recording these videos, so some might be uploaded to a YouTube channel, some might be just uploaded from the tablet that I have, kind of seeing what works. But in order to get to the Padlet, you are going to go to padlet.com, and that's padlet.com/Brandy, BRANDY _Callis, CALLIS /AP, Callis, CALLIS 1920. I will have a poster made for this with the link. So you guys, if you forget it, you can access it again. Also, the link is posted onto your Google Classroom. Once you go there, if you go as a student, let me actually log in under a different browser, or let me do an incognito one so you can see what it's going to look like for y'all. So Padlet.com, Brandy _Callis, AP Callis 1920. It is going to ask you for a password. The password is the same as the Flipgrids, which is Cactus 1920. And that is posted on the Flipgrid poster, and it'll also be posted on this poster when that comes into the classroom. It is going to lead you to a page that looks like this for anatomy and physiology. This is your page for, if I show this video to the IPC kids have a different page. But as you can see, this is kind of our group page. It is red right now. I might change that color. But we have, in our first column, this one is our videos. You are going to actually see these. The newest one is going to be on top. The second row is questions. The third row is study materials. These are just the different articles that I've posted in the past for you to read for assignments. This is also going to be like where I upload different pictures and things like that for y'all. And then over here is just interesting articles. But the two ones that you really need to focus on for this class for this semester are the first two rows, the in-class videos, and the questions. So if you do have a question for me, it is actually set up where you can ask a question. You just have to press that plus button. Your title is going to be your name, so I'm just going to put Brandy Callis. And then you'll write your question underneath. Not that one. Okay. Sorry, having issues with this tablet today. It is not wanting to do what I want it to do. Okay, underneath, no, not cancel. I'm having issues. Okay, underneath it says write something, so question goes here. Okay, and like I said, the title is going to be your name, so I know who to respond to. If you do not have your name as for the question, at least for right now, I am not going to be answering it. I'll probably delete it. So that's how you add a question. The videos, you just click on it. If you want it full screen, you'll click the full screen, so on and so forth. It can play it right there. I'm not going to play it right now because it'll just kind of go over what I've been doing. So this is kind of your landing page, and that's how you use it. You are allowed to add to interesting articles as well if you do find something relating to anatomy and physiology that you do want to record or share with the class. And like I said, all your questions, you can either email it to me, come up and ask me in between class periods, or post it here. If you have anything else you would like to know, please, like I said, ask those questions. Ask Ms. Gonzalez to come and ask me, or just come and ask me during passing periods. Okay, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you later.